how you can know if someone is online on Facebook Messenger. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and just hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let us start. So the first step is opening up your Messenger app. Now, to know if someone is online, first you'll have to turn on your activity status. Now, to do that, just tap on this button right here on the top left and go to your settings. Now, on your settings, you will see the active status. Just tap on active status and turn it on. Now, after you turn it on, people that are your friends will be able to see you're active or not, and you will be see if they're active or not if they have turned this particular settings on themselves. Now, yeah, that is basically it. Now you can know if anyone is just online or not. Now, make sure that you've turned on your active status and just hope that the person that are some other people are just active or not. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to leave a like, and bye bye, take care.